What's up, Coco? New addition to the family. Check out the shoes. Check out the shoes. All right, you guys. Listen up, listen up, listen up. Today, I'm gonna go to work, but I really gotta go to Atlanta, okay? So you guys are gonna come with me on this journey. I gotta go to Atlanta to go to this Wave Check Wednesday, okay? And I got a red-eye flight. Basically, my flight is not until 10:45, and yeah. Let's go to work and cut some hair. All right, you guys, so basically, I don't know why it feels like I haven't been here in a while, which it's only been a couple of days that I haven't been here, but my station it's not trash. Don't get me wrong, it's not trash, but I definitely gotta clean it up. I'm gonna be cutting in Atlanta, so I'm gonna bring some of my clippers and just pack up for that. So let's get to cleaning up this stuff. I'm out. You see, I'm just putting up two hands just on purpose.
Not without your stick, bro. Poke somebody with that.
All right, you guys. Alright, you guys, I'm about to take a flight. I got a red eye. I'm here at the airport. Man, this is gonna be a tough one. I ain't gonna lie, this is gonna be a tough one. Just on a simple fact that I don't do too well falling asleep on a plane. You know what I mean? My neck be hurting and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I did take a shot of some Crown and some Coke. So yeah, let's hopefully, man, I can't even get no seat nowhere. Alright, you guys, I'll be on the plane in a minute. Alright, you guys, I kid you not, man, it's like 5 o'clock, but back at home, it's like 2 o'clock my time, and I'm tired. I'm hecka tired, for the simple fact that I ain't get no sleep on the plane, none at all. Hopefully, I could just go out throughout the day without getting any sleep, but y'all know me, hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency. I'm gonna be alright, but hopefully Hawk is here to pick me up. Kid you not, you guys, I'm tired. You see it in my eyes, I'm tired. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, Hawk is in the building. Hawk is in the building. Alright, you guys, listen up, listen up, listen up. I'm here at Futuristic Style Hawk Shop, and when I fly in, waivers come in, and for some reason, when the waivers come in,
what? Bro, what are you talking about?
This dude has been to the shop at Velocity Cuts. He decided to come. Are you from Atlanta, right?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. You came from North Carolina to Atlanta?
I've been here 10 years.
Oh, and you been here? Okay, I'm about to say, Richard, come on, you next. tired. Still tired. Still going. That was Richard. He came to Velocity Cuts a while back to get a cut. He was with TWDB, all them waivers. You know what I mean? He was one of them ones. I just found out that he live out in Atlanta, so that's what's up, man. Appreciate you for coming through, Richard. Salute. YouTube, listen, we got Shannon in the building, my man. We got Shannon in the building, okay? And he claims to be a real waiver, okay? No competition, okay? In the game, no competition, okay? At least around here in these parts. I don't know, though. I don't know. The question is, when we take off this do-rag, is there competition? Let's go. He got it knotted up. Tried to make it hard for me. Hold on, let me take one off.
Boy, got about 5 of them left.
Okay. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh. All right. Another layer. Another one. Woo. Okay, let me take it off. Oh, my goodness.
I got a compression cap on there too now.
The moment of truth. Wave check is in effect.
He said ain't no competition.
Ain't no competition. Woo! Oh, snap! Oh!
Is that a pad?
Oh! Snap! Ain't no competition is right. My God! Woo!
I don't know, y'all.
Damn!
They showing up, bro.
He might be with the hands down.
Got a whole box.
Listen. I don't know, Richard. Richard, I don't know, man. Richard. Oh, let's take another look. Golly. Let's get into this cut, though. Oh, man. Let me give y'all one more look. We got Khaled in the building.
I'm here. That's how we do it.
Woo! Let go.
Three, two, one. Shut the ratings off, man. Wait till he is definitely not spinning. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Right here, man. Hold on, brother. Hold on, brother. 3, 2, 1. But just so y'all can see that. Okay, he's in there. Okay. 3, 2, 1. He's spooky with it. He's spooky with it. He's spooky with it. He's stretching. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Take that do-rag off, man. Let me see. Yes, sir. The forecasting light shows of the day. Yes, sir. 3, 2, 1. Take that do-rag off for me. Is that I want you to see the crowd. I like it. Down to the nape area. That's where we put the neck strips on. Come on, man. 3, 2, 1. Show the waves off, brother. We gonna pick them too, but shit, this is the champ, you see? All right, you make some noise for my boy, yes sir! Wave check champion, first wave check champion, yes sir, here at Freestyle Freestyle. Yes sir, hey man, say something to me, bro. Follow me, Blazing Way to 1,000, Blazing Way to 1,000 on my Instagram. Shout out to Jeezy, thanks out to Jeezy for giving me the praise, and got me looking extra Christian, man. We're gonna do that again. 3, 2, 1, Wave Check Wednesday.